actually sent you a couple things, but this is the first one.
So cute.
Oh, Quinn, that is so
Quinn,
beautiful.
It fits you so perfectly.
Do you like it?
Offie? Well, let's just see. Maybe there's something else. Ooh, let's see.
Look what this one is.
What is it? Can you
Oh.
open it up?
It's a train.
What's that?
Oh, wow.
Oh, neat.
And pants to go with it, and we needed pants.
Wow.
Wow.
You ready to take it off?
Okay.
Everyone,
Here,
look
help.
Can you say
Grammy
thank
can
you,
help.
Grammy Joey?
Hey, over here,
Griffin,
Quinn.
Griffin and Quinn say thank you, Grammy Joey.
Wow.
And
Over
look
here.
at that.
What's that one?
Yeah, it's a
It's a
train.
train.
It's a train?
Can you say
thank you?
Joey?
She said,
Dad,
Let's see,
Grandpa.
Quinn, right here.
Say it again. Say it. Thank you,
Mom.
Grammy Joey.
Quinn and Mom, look it.
Thank you, Grammy Joey.
Poppy, look it.
All right.